So the first thing is how to cut it straight, right? So always use your fingers like this. Keep your fingers like this. Come closer. On this side. On this side. Keep your finger like this. Keep the saw straight. Your fingers will provide the support. So just slowly move it so that it can make a small groove, right? Till then you keep your fingers in the same position. Slowly you're making groove, right? So now you can see the groove is made. So now you can keep your fingers away, but just make sure that your saw always be straight. I've just cut the frame bits, so these are not joined yet. So I'll be using this mild stapler to join the frame sides, which are in the 45-degree angles right now. Sorry, 90-degree angles. So okay, keep watching. So first I'll be stapling one staple each side. Then I'll go for the second one. Right. So one is stapled. All right. So I'll go for the second one now. There may be slide here and there, but it can be adjusted later. All right. Okay. Second one. There we go. Now I'll fix the third one. One left. Almost done. Let's check whether it is in the middle. Then you done. So one staple I have fixed. I can stop this video. I'll do it again. So you have seen that I have made a staple. So as the staple bit is like pin is 10 mm high, it can penetrate 10 mm. So you can see the opposite side it came out. So I'll be bending them so that they can fit cleanly. Right. And alright, so then I'll use the hammer. Basically you need a smaller hammer, but I don't have one, so I'm using the bigger one. Okay, so one staple fitted. So now I'll do one more and maybe two, right? Thank you. I have stapled total 3 in each corner. With 2 staples I could see it was not as strong as I wanted, so I staple one from the other side. So now it is solid, it's very strong. Thank you.